Hello, 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 CCTV. So, weather update tayo. Today is November 14. And hulaan nyo kung anong araw. Opo, birthday ko po. Birthday ko po ngayong araw. So, November 14, 2025. And it's 3:22 p.m. And right now, it's 14 degrees Celsius. Highest is 14 and lowest is 1 degrees. So, ayun nga. So, 3:22 na ng hapon. Pero kanina morning, around 9 a.m., malamig. I'm wearing the same thing kanina. So, I'm just wearing heat tech inside and this puffer jacket. Pero yan. Ayun lang naman. Okay pa. Kalma pa yung lamig. Hindi mo pa kailangan ng kayakap. Pero dahil birthday ko, kailangan ko ng kayakap. So, send hug.